If you want to purchase a home in the suburbs of Nairobi, African Real Estate is the best platform to give you the best choices. Taking into considerations all the suburbs of the middle class, Kitengela has been the most affordable in terms of lot size and the print area. But that is not the case anymore, and that's why we brought you here. This is a gated estate of 8 units. Each unit has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot, and as you can see, everything has been finished to the optimum. This gated estate is exactly 900 meters from Namanga Road, and it is a gated estate within a controlled estate. And before I take you inside to see what the developer has actually done, we will start the tour from the main entrance. The whole gated estate has been surrounded by a perimeter wall. Each unit comes with a sliding gate like this one, and you have a remote to make sure, actually 2 remotes to make sure that you can have 1 remote in the house, and as you are going out, you can carry the other remote. To separate each home from the others, we have a small mesh wire and a live fence, and that makes it very, very homely so that you can easily interact with your neighbors as you maintain your privacy. I'll take you inside. From the main entrance, you are getting a 4-car parking, and I'm loving the quality of the cabros that have been done there. On this side, you have a small area where you should plant your flowers, and on my far front, you have your front yard. Below the front yard, you have the biodigester, and the perimeter wall has a provision for an electric fence if you need extra security. From there, you can agree with me that the facade of the estate is extremely beautiful. The front view of this show house is just on another level, and I'm loving how the colors are blending with each other to make this home look very modern. Each unit is a 3-bedroom all-ensuite bungalow with a print area of around 150 square meters. Each unit comes with an employee quarters, which is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, and on the rear side you have a very good space that has been secluded for your laundry. We will see that later. Before we start, everything else that you do not see in this video or the photos of this house will be found in our website, africanrealestate.com. And if you would want to purchase a home in any locality, call us and we will help you with pre-purchase inspection to make sure that whatever you are buying is legally acceptable. This is the main entrance of the show house, and it has been done very well. I like it that on the car parking you have a cabro, and on this other side you have changalawe, but still you are getting these plates where you should step on while you are heading to the house. These homes are adopting a flat hidden roof design, and I'm loving how the developer has been able to collect all the water that is coming from the roof to be wasted through the parking area and to the outside. That means that this plot is slightly sloping to the gate, so if you are worried about flooding, this developer has catered to all your needs. I'll take you inside. But before we do, at the entrance, you have a good entrance porch, big enough to fit a sitting area like this. And here we have a visitor's book. So when you come to purchase this unit, make sure you note your name here. But you will not do that if you do not check our number in the first comment. If you have visited Kilimani or Kileshwa in the recent past, you will notice that there is a lot of replication that is happening here. This developer is among the intelligent ones, and he has taken all the concepts that have been brought by the Chinese here, and he is trying to localize everything to make sure that you are getting the best finishes and the best qualities as you still enjoy the local authenticity. Before I explain the details of the living room, because I know you want to know that, this unit is coming with, as you can see, the camera is already working. You are getting an intercom as standard, and it is connected to the cameras that you can install in this house, and another one at the gate. So if someone knocks at the gate, you'll be able to see them from here, and you can either allow them to get in or out because you already have an automatic remote. This is the living room. big enough to fit a 7-seater couch like this one. You can actually do a bigger couch. I like it that the trend that was ongoing of doing a lot of gypsum on the TV area has reduced because it was actually hideous. This is what we have right now. It is very, very subtle, very well done, and it is something which is long lasting. What do you think about this? Do you like the gypsum crafting on the TV area, or you would prefer it to be like this? Make sure you leave a comment down here. The living room comes with a massive window on the far end. I'm loving it because it is giving you a ton of natural light. That is not the only source of light. During the night, you'll have a ton of light from this center light. As you can see, we have some mood lights or some recessed lights. You are also getting some side lights to make sure that the full lighting aspect is favoring your mood changes. The living room is opening to the dining area on my far front, and that's where the videographer is. I don't know why he is there. Kama inaonekana ameanza kulala kwa kazi. I would fire him, but you guys like him very much. The dining area comes with a 6-seater dining table like this one. The space is bigger to fit maybe an 8-seater if you have a big family, but this is actually very standard. I'm loving it that you are also getting a breakfast table, and this becomes very, very important, especially for the people who like gossiping with their mom when the cooking is happening. I am one of them. Anyway, I'm loving this kitchen. The quality of everything has been done very well. These lights are just improving my mood. I'm happier now. You can see me smiling. Anyway, what I like is that the kitchen comes with lower and upper cabinetry, and this gives you enough storage spaces for all your cutlery and the crockeries. You also have a spices rack just next to the cooking area, and the cooking area is a 5-burner cooktop. On my far front, you have the other cooking appliances, which is an oven and a microwave. But before I show you all that, you have a washing area here, which comes with a bigger sink and a smaller sink on this other side. A water purifier can be installed on this end, and you have a big window to make sure that everything that you are washing in these sinks is sparkling clean. You have a door here that is supposed to take you to the laundry area. We will see that later. And you have another one that is opening to the pantry of this kitchen. These are the other kitchen appliances, and they come standard. You have an extra space where you can do your coffee maker, maybe your water boiler, or maybe, I don't know, maybe a toaster. This is where you should do all that. The refrigerator area is big enough to fit a double door like this one. This is not standard, but if you want us to give you exactly like this one, you will need to book in advance. On the rear side of this unit, you have the laundry area, and it comes with an industrial sink, a space that is big enough to fit your washer and dryer, and next to it you have the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom employee quarters. It has been done very well. I like the size of it because it can easily fit a 4x6 bed. You have the employee closet on this side and an opening to the bathroom. What I hate, and this is horrible to me, is this door. Inakaa mulango ya matatu. It is a good concept, especially when you want to save space, but it is actually horrible. I hate it. Back to serious business. This home does not come with any lift. When you are moving from any room to the other, there is no lift. So it is actually very, very friendly for the differently abled people. Let's discuss the price. These homes are starting from 12.5 million Kenya shillings. And as I mentioned, you are actually 900 meters from Namanga Road. Tell me, what do you think about the pricing of these units? Do you think that the developer has given you enough quality to make you give them your 12.5 million Kenya shillings? And if you were applying for the KMRC loan, do you think that you can pay the extra amount on top of 10.5 just to have this as your residence? If yes, make sure you comment down below. And if you would want to purchase this home, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment, because we will link you up with the developer right now. This home comes with 2 wings. On my left hand side, you have the children wings. And in that wing, you get the first and the second bedroom. On my right hand side, you have the primary wing, and that's where you and your partner will be spending most of the time. And on that side, you also have the common washroom that we will see later. Let's start with this wing. This is the first bedroom. It is the smallest. And if this is what you call the smallest, the developer is actually giving you a lot of value. What do you think about this closet? They have been done very well. I'm loving how the dark colors are blending with the light tones. I'm loving it that the developer gave you a good combination of natural light and artificial light. The size of the windows is good. The closet comes with a dresser. What I hate is the space above there because it is not as useful, but the finishing of the closet in combination with the true drawers that you get is very, very encouraging. Each bedroom in this unit comes with a bathroom done very well, which gives you a vanity at the center, a washroom on my right hand side, and a bathroom on my left hand side. From the first bedroom, we are going directly to the second bedroom, and as you can see, you have a small walkway. Let's discuss the quality of these doors. They are imported, which is very, very bad for the economy, but very, very good for you as a customer because you get something that is actually very modern. The quality is nice. I'm loving it. Your friends will love it too. The size of the closet in this bedroom is slightly bigger compared to the one that we saw in the first bedroom. The size of the window has slightly been improved, and the bathroom is here adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the first bedroom. I'm loving it that this developer makes sure that he is giving you a rain shower, a handheld, a vanity at the center, and a WC that comes with a bidet sprayer. From the children's wing, we go to the primary wing, and at the entrance of the primary wing, you have the common washroom. It comes with a small vanity at the entrance, which is very, very important, especially when you are trying to wash this big house. You need to be cleaning your hats or maybe washing your dusters as you wipe everything in this unit. That is very, very genius. The common washroom is big enough for any size of a person. You have a tissue holder that is of good quality. As I mentioned earlier, you have a bidet sprayer, and this is very important. If you are from Murima or any other part of the country and you have never used this, it should be in your bucket list. This thing is fulfilling. The primary bedroom is here. It is the biggest. What I like about it is that you have the bed area which has been set to be at the center part of the bedroom. This space should easily fit a 6x6 bed, a king size or a queen size bed. The primary bedroom comes with the biggest window to make sure that you are getting enough natural light, and it gives you the best views to the front yard. The closet to the primary bedroom is here. It has been done extremely well to make sure that it will be enough for you and your partner. The partitionings have been thought through, and it gives you a very, very good space to separate the foldable clothes from the hangable clothes. The space above this closet is big enough to fit a closet or maybe the clothes that you do not use on a daily basis. Perfect design. This bedroom comes with the biggest bathroom, which is the primary bathroom. It has been done very well. You have this light. I think this is where you should do a dresser if you are interested in one. And at the entrance of the primary bathroom, you have a good vanity. The sink is of a good size, and you're also getting a double toothbrush holder, a nice compartment where you should do your toiletries, and on this side you have the showering area, which comes with a handheld and a rain shower. The space is big enough to fit you and your partner. You're also getting a double towel holder. This other side has been reserved for your other co-curricular activities, and you're also getting a shiny tissue holder. The window is massive for enough natural light, especially during the day. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you have 12.5 million Kenya shillings to purchase this home, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. As always, never stop watching. This is African Real Estate and my name is Mogai Kihara.